Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show you how to download Nova Launcher first. So go open Chrome and install Nova Launcher. You will see the download button, click it and install it. And I'll not install it again because I have already installed it. I'll hit cancel. I'll go to the home menu. I'll open the Nova settings, and you can change the theme to dark and keep it the same. Swipe up for more. Then I'll go to the Nova settings and change the dock and switch it off. I'll go to apps and widgets, and I'll just turn off the swipe indication and change the color from red to green for aesthetic purposes, of course. And then I'll go for gestures and swipe up to app drawer for to open the app drawer. After that, you can go ahead and download the wallpaper from the links below. It's in my drive. It's a folder named Star Wars, and go ahead and open the folder and click to the photo, download it, and then open it. After downloading, open the wallpaper, set as, and go to Nova settings, set as wallpaper, and put it for home and lock screen. For downloading Kwgt, I have given the links in the description. You can go ahead and click on it, and it's as simple as clicking the download button. Click download. I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. Open the even if you try opening the Kwgt app, you will not be able to open it. It will say you don't have widgets. So go ahead and open widgets. Scroll down, and you will find an option for Kwgt. Then you can select the size 2x2, 4x4, 2x1, etc. And I have given the uploads to the Kwgt file in the description. Go ahead and click extract and click on the folder. As you can see, the size is too small, so you can increase the size according to your wish. Layer and increase the size. See. That's done. For custom folders, you can go ahead and open Play Store and search for an app called as Candy Con. I'll give the links in the description. You can go ahead and download it from there. After downloading, open it, and then create a folder. So you can use apps of like Chrome and WhatsApp. You can create other folders as well. After creating the folder, hold on the icon and press edit. Then press Candy Con and select the icon, and then it's done. So you can change the icons of all the files using this. It looks much better, and it gives a clean look to your phone. So I normally use this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.